Most people wait until Christmas for this. But did you know that this actually can be your everyday remedy?
Oh yeah.
From lowering blood pressure to building immunity. This is sorrel. Jamaican family, how you do? Oh, lovely. Today I'm back with Ms Sheryl, you remember? The Scotch bonnet lady. Yeah, I'm back at her place in Witton, Westmoreland. But today we're going to look at sorrel. It's not just pretty, it's actually loaded with health benefits, as mentioned earlier, from lowering blood pressure to building immunity. We're going to delve into it, and I'm going to take you along. If you're here for the first time though, for whatever reason, I'm going to invite you to join us. I'm going to join you to share this kind of stuff. I call it the real Jamaica. And I'm doing a special series on medicinal herbs. So if you're new here, or if you've not yet subscribed, I'm going to invite you to do so now. Hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification, and that way you'll see updated on all my latest videos. Let's go to sorrel, Jamaican style. And here she is again, guys. The beautiful smiles of Ms Sheryl Car Palmer, right, Palmer?
Yes.
Yes, man. Witton, Westmoreland. Here, this is so today we're gonna do
Sorrel.
sorrel, and this is it.
Sorrel.
Sorrel. It's one of the products. You remember her from the Scotch bonnet video, but this is one of the other products that she has here. Not as big as the
Original.
as this. Well, not as big as the
Pepper sauce.
Pepper, but
This is
she does it. She does it on the side.
yes.
And we thought it would be a good idea to share the goodness of sorrel with you. So this is a plant here. She has it in a bucket, but I'm gonna ask her to go around the other section where she has a few more plants here to share with you. And again, it's all backyard farming. Backyard farming, signature backyard farming. And hopefully we're motivating and encouraging you to start your own backyard farm, guys.
Oh.
So she has a nice little patch here, guys, growing in the back of her backyard. A few nice plants here. She's touching them, massaging them gently.
Yes.
Yes, they're looking beautiful.
Yes,
And it's actually,
beautiful.
it's a seasonal?
No, not the seasonal, but should I use it? Do my sauce?
Yes.
Right. So if I plant it, it will be a right through the year.
Oh, okay,
Right.
okay.
So
And by the way, the scientific name is Hibiscus sabdariffa, guys. It's on screen. Also known as roselle, Florida cranberry, or red sorrel, if you want to read more about it. So, looks and shape. So it's bushy.
yes. The
The
leaf can make tea,
uh-huh.
and the sorrel itself, right, can make. I use it do the sauce.
You use it for your sauce as well.
Right.
We're gonna talk about that, guys, because she does pepper sauce and she uses
sorrel.
she has sorrel flavored sauce.
Sorrel flavored sauce,
Yes.
right? Right, and you can also do jam. You can do your jam with it.
Yes.
Right.
But this red color here actually gets stronger as it dries. I heard.
Right.
Yes, yes. And the taste by itself,
It's
they say tart.
Right. So it's
Tangy.
not sweet, so you have to put sweetener in
Yeah,
it.
similar to kind of cranberry
Right.
with
that's
hibiscus notes, they said. And it doesn't grow much taller than this. So.
No, no, no.
It's about.
And you can bud them. You don't have to cut down the tree. You bud them, and they will bear again.
Oh.
So I don't cut down my tree. I bud them, and in doing that, they will bear again.
Ah.
Yes.
But typically though, so between 3 to 7 feet, but typically it's late December.
Late December, more people have sorrel.
But you plant it around for obvious reason.
Right.
For obvious reason.
As you see, I'm just taking them off. Right.
But what made you decide to grow sorrel alongside?
You know, my dad was here, and he said to me that, you know, that sorrel and pepper taste nice, so you could do a sorrel sauce. And I said, real, Dad? He said, yes. So I just started to try, and to my surprise, it really does well.
So in the idea, really and truly, is you obviously had the pepper farm first.
Yes, yes.
And the dad suggests that you try this
sorrel and pepper taste nice.
And it worked out to be a wonder.
Yes, it's a wonder.
So the rains came on us, guys, so we rushed inside. We rushed inside here, so we're gonna finish this beautiful conversation on the veranda here. All right, safe and sound inside, Ms Sheryl.
Yes.
So I was asking you about how you got started with the sorrel. You mentioned your daddy or something like
Yes. Early last year, my dad was here because he's from Clarendon. So normally he would come down like once per year. So while we were here, we were planting some sorrel, and he said to me that, do you know that sorrel and pepper taste nice? I said, really? He said, yes, I could make a sauce with it, you know. I said, real, Daddy? He said, yes, try it. He even use a gesture and say that the Prime Minister don't want to unbuckle. So I tried it.
Yeah.
And to my amaze, it's wonderful.
Remind me before we forget to taste that. So I taste the mango with the pepper itself.
Yes.
In the pepper video.
Yes.
Today though, this is not scripted, but I'm gonna taste.
Yes.
The sorrel sauce.
Yes.
Probably with the same piece of mango. I don't think Ariel done the mango.
Yes.
Ariel done the mango.
Yes, the mango is finished.
Ariel done the mango. Look at our face, guys. Look at that.
But to my amaze, I taste my sorrel sauce with pancake.
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 Pancake. Oh.
Somehow.
What if Nyla would love it?
Somehow, I was going out on a show. So I said, what I'm going to taste my sorrel sauce with? And immediately I saw pancake. So I bought the pancake, do it, and I take it with me, and I taste the sorrel. Let the customer taste the sorrel with the pancake. And yes, it's good. Because remember, the sorrel sauce, it's sweet.
Yeah.
It's have a peppery, but it's sweet.
Yes.
And the pancake syrup is sweet.
As well. But you see, you get a pancake syrup with a kick.
That is it.
Our sorrel flavored kick, a kick. So you get it like three different nice.
Yes. Yes.
All right, cool. All right, so let's talk about this. So we're gonna, guys, I'm gonna be sharing the sauce, the sorrel sauce a little later, right? I told you that she does salt, sauces, not salt. I'm gonna share that with you later. But let's go back to the sorrel itself. How you use it otherwise? How do you or you know people use it generally? The sorrel.
The sorrel itself, how I know it is used as a drink. You will get the sorrel and your orange skin and your ginger and your pimento, and you wash everything, you put it in the water, you pot and make it boil up. When it boil up, you turn it off and it stay overnight. And then you will just throw it off in the morning, and then you will put a little wine or whatsoever in it and make a sorrel drink. That's how I know it.
Orange skin too, you saying?
Yes, I put the orange skin. You get a little, yes. Yes, you get a little, a little zing from the orange peeling. The dried orange peeling.
That's mainly how
I know it
it is used here in Jamaica.
As a drink.
Traditionally, as a drink.
As a drink, right.
Or not as a drink, perhaps? How else?
I did not use it otherwise until I started with the sauce.
The sauce?
Right.
And
read it more about it, I realized that we can do so much things with the sorrel.
So Ariel, let's talk.
Pepper together.
So Ariel?
Yes, I know persons who make jam with it, and I use it in tea. I'll steep the sorrel with ginger and lime, and a little honey, and have it for tea in the morning.
Yeah. How do you use sorrel, guys? I want to hear from you. Tell me in the comment. How do you use this here? So I'm going to talk about the health benefits, because some of it you might know, some of it might surprise you, but this is loaded with good stuff, healthy stuff, right? And there's a link in the description to an article we wrote on the website. I'm going to invite you to go and take a look at it, because it has a whole bunch of information about sorrel. It's another powerhouse of health. All right, but here are some of the benefits I can tell you off the bat. First, blood pressure. We mentioned it earlier. Yes, it has natural compounds that help relax the blood vessels and reduce the pressure. So traditionally people use it for that. Our foreparents might not even know what is in it, but we know that it helps with blood pressure.
You know, funny about it, our foreparents use a lot of this stuff, and they get benefit from it, but did not know what type of benefit.
Yes, yes.
So we always say that our foreparents live long because they eat their bush yam, they drink natural tea, natural herbs and things like that. But now that in this our age, that research
age of science,
yes, we realize that it's the same thing that we are walking upon every day.
Yes, yes.
It has some health benefits.
Well, I can tell you that I've done a lot of videos on medicinal herbs.
Yeah.
And you guys, you know some of them, I've done a lot of them. And what I've found, something I told Steve, a cousin of mine named Steve, goes to Seventh-day Adventist Church, you know, Steve, I said to Steve that nothing, he called somebody, he was talking about bush. I said to him, nothing is bush. Nothing, meaning nothing is wasted. If you're a believer, you know that God in his wisdom will never make something that is no good.
Remember my quotation, the earth is the Lord.
Everything. So everything that is grown, anything that is natural, has a purpose. Yeah. We may not always know the purpose. And so we say, like that, burn that, do that. And sometimes you have to get rid of it for different reasons. You want to make space or you want to put something else, but they have value. It's just for us to know. And that's it with,
And there is an old saying that anything that the goats have can be used as herb.
All right, nice plug. Anything that the goats have, humans can have as well. Okay. Back to sorrel. So it's also loaded with vitamin C, an antioxidant which help fight infections, slow aging, and protect cells. We spoke about the vitamin C in the pepper as well. All right, but this is loaded with vitamin C as well. Anti-aging and protect cells as well. It's good for digestion or a light detox.
Yes.
You can use it for that, you know.
For detox.
Yeah, man. It has a mild diuretic. It has mild diuretic properties that help to flush out toxins.
Yes.
So there's another health benefit of sorrel, guys, and there's more. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties, so it helps even with oral health. Yeah. More on that in the article I wrote in the description. Where normally for the video I just give you a quick highlight, but I'm gonna invite you to read that in the article. I did a video with Kayan, a friend of mine named Kayan. She does Christmas cakes, and guess what? She did one year. Sorrel Christmas cake, sorrel Christmas cake, and that was lovely. So it's sorrel flavored. I don't remember how she do it, but I think they have an article on that too. And a video on that. I'm going to put it in the description, guys, so you can see it. Sorrel Christmas cake. So you enjoy the benefits of sorrel in a Christmas cake. All right, so the rain is playing a little bit of game with us, guys. It's gone again. So I'm heading back down to the backyard, sorrel, the little patch, myself and Ms Sheryl. But I wanted to answer a few of the questions. Some popular questions that people have about sorrel while we're going there. One, is sorrel the same as hibiscus? Yes, actually, sorrel is a species of hibiscus. So hibiscus is a broader species. Hibiscus sabdariffa, scientific name on screen. That's the scientific name for sorrel. So the answer is yes. Can sorrel help lower blood pressure? I think we spoke about that already. We said yes. Studies suggest that sorrel can reduce the systolic and diastolic blood pressure when used regularly. Can you drink sorrel every day? Yes. They said it's in moderate amount. Everything in moderation, we say. Not true, Miss?
Yes, everything with moderation.
Yeah, man. So yes, just watch the sugar if you're sweetening it, please. How do you make tea from fresh sorrel, Miss? That's another question they have. How do you make tea from fresh sorrel, Ms Sheryl?
Alright, so you make the tea from the fresh sorrel now. You would wash your sorrel, of course, and you pour boiling water. Put it into a cup, you pour boiling water on it, and let it steep for a while. And then it will, the hot water, it will take out all the nutrients.
Perfect.
And the color out.
Perfect. I had an answer. Very similar to that. So I'll take your response. The only thing I would add is that you can add ginger or whatever, clove, whatever spice you want to put it in. Yes. Okay, and sweetener. What are other names for sorrel? There's lots of names. People call it in different countries. People call it different things. But Roselle is a popular name
Roselle,
in many countries.
Florida, it's cranberry.
Yeah, I think some name like that.
Right.
But Jamaican hibiscus, overseas they call it Jamaican hibiscus as well, in some places, you know. Many different names. In fact, I'm gonna ask you guys, those of you who are watching, Florida cranberry, they said it's something.
Florida cranberry.
Red sorrel. But I'm gonna ask you, wherever you are watching from right now, wherever you are, what do you call this thing here? So we call it Jamaican sorrel or Jamaican hibiscus. But tell me what you know it as. Here are the petals here, and stuff like that. All right. Over to you now. What other questions do you have about sorrel? You have anything else related to sorrel? Put it in the comments. I want to hear. Remember, we're learning from each other. You know, we want to learn. Let me know what questions you have. Also, look at the comments and see what questions other persons have, and try and respond. Let's share the knowledge. Share the knowledge. I'm gonna show you a product that Ms Sheryl has. Remember, I told you she does pepper. She has a sorrel flavored pepper sauce. I'm gonna have her tell you a little bit about it. Tell you a little bit about it right now.
Okay. This is Cheryl's homemade pepper sauce.
Yeah.
It's made from the delicious pepper. My slogan is very delicious, even though it's pepper. So
I was gonna ask you how you get the delicious with the pepper, but delicious. yes, but I get you now.
Yes. And putting it with the sorrel, it gets a unique flavor.
So it's a sorrel flavored
pepper sauce.
Pepper sauce.
Yes, same Cheryl's homemade pepper sauce.
Yes.
Sorrel flavor.
I want her to tell you how you can contact her if you want to, you know, get any of her. Sorry, not just her sorrel product, because she has pepper products as well, pepper and pepper products, but the sorrel as well. Of course. How can you reach her for promotion, display? I mean, or whatever you want to, whatever reason you want to reach her.
Yes, you're having an event. You're having an event and you want to invite Cheryl's homemade pepper sauce. Well, depends on how far it is, of course. So what I would do, I'll come and showcase my sorrel sauce, and I will bring stuff that you can taste the sauce with. Patrons, they can purchase my sauce. And if you have a store that you can take some, you can take some from me, because it's all Bureau Standard compliant and everything companies of Jamaica. So my phone number is 844-6103-990-1894, and it's on Instagram #Cheryl's homemade pepper sauce, and on Facebook is Cheryl's Kitchen. Perfect.
Yes. Big up Ms Sheryl, guys, and her pepper sauce, sorrel flavored, and all the good stuff that she has here. She has a pepper, but she have a patch of sorrel as well, which she used to flavor her pepper sauce.
Yes.
And she has sorrel all year round. I see banana too, man. They have a nice bunch of Gross Michelle there. Gross Michelle?
I don't know her name, you know. I don't know. I got a little, the root of it that I got was not even big as my fist.
Well, look at
but
that.
I came and I planted
Look at that.
Because my belief, the earth is the Lord.
Look
and
at
the fullness
that.
thereof.
Look at that. Look at
so
it now.
Look at it now.
Yes,
look at
yes.
it now.
Wow. This is beautiful.
Yes.
Ms Sheryl, guys, and her sorrel. I want her. Oh, we said we're gonna taste the sorrel.
Yes.
The sorrel sauce. What we're gonna taste it with now? Mango? What we have to taste?
I have pineapple, but the pineapple, no.
We have to taste it with something, man. We must find another mango, man.
No.
I really eat off the mango.
Yes. All right. See, I have some sorrel, small sorrel here that I've sowed the seed. So they are coming up.
Oh, these are sorrel.
Right. So as soon as they come up, I will allow them to come up. I start, right, and then I transplant. I transplant them.
Oh, lovely. And now the fun part, guys. The fun part. We're gonna do the taste. Remember, I asked Ms Sheryl that we're gonna taste her sorrel flavored pepper sauce, and we have a mango. Her mango tree is right here. A lovely Julie mango tree. Lovely Julie mango tree. We got a nice one off it. This is how we do it here in Jamaica. So anyway, we're gonna ask oh, Ariel, cut, man. You do the cutting, Ariel. What do you mean? So we're gonna cut. We're gonna Oh, just slide through. And the knife sharp or the mango soft?
Both.
Yeah, gotta taste it. We had to find something to taste the sorrel, the flavor. Alright. We had to find something to taste her sorrel flavored pepper sauce in, guys. So the mango was the most available. Yes. So how we do it now, Ms Sheryl?
Alright. So you
shake it up. Okay, so all the goodness that come up.
So what you would do now, you will chip a little now.
Okay. Alright.
You want me to taste it first?
You want to taste it?
Nice.
Yeah, blow your own trumpet. Let me taste it. Let me taste it.
Alright.
Let me taste it. I don't want the same amount that you put on for you. Feel like you don't want to throw this up with something. Throw it. Alright, guys. Sorrel flavored Scotch bonnet pepper sauce with mango. Jamaican style.
How is it?
It's good.
It's good for you. But all the flavors they mix up now. All the flavors them combine now. One more. Can I get more? One more.
No, this is real good.
Yeah. This is lovely, guys. A real motor on water with the camera. Nice, man.
Like one now.
All right, the camera woman. camera lady time.
Give enough? Really?
No, don't give her more than that, yeah, man. Cause she just follow me, you know.
Ooh.
Wow. Yes. Yes, there's something in it. Yes.
Yes, it's nice, it's true.
It's nice.
Guys, tell them again. If anybody wants to get the sorrel flavor, hot pepper sauce, any hot pepper sauce, one more time.
876-844-6103 and 876-990-1894. Instagram, hashtag Sheryl's Homemade Pepper Sauce. Facebook, Sheryl's Kitchen.
All right. Lovely.
And I'm also in 3 supermarkets. I'm at Langpeng in Sablamar. I'm at One Zing in Sablamar. And I am at downtown at Jackie Supermarket. Normally Paradise, but it's now Successor Supermarket.
I'm going to touch this up a notch as well. You see, if you want her, first of all, reach out to Sheryl. Reach out to Sheryl at the number, and all the contact is in the description. But for whatever reason, you can't get to her, reach me. My number is also in the description. Right? I'll work with her to help you get. So wherever you are in the world, I'll do that. Because I have an e-store, you know. Yeah, man, I have an online store. So I can actually help. If people want it, they get it to me, and then we'll work something out and get it out there. Look at that. Look at that. She's full fun, not you. All right, to God with the glory. You got it, Brad. Give her a thumbs up, guys. Give her a thumbs up. Oh, boy. Miss Sheryl and Ariel devouring the mango with the sorrel pepper sauce, guys. This is lovely. Well, and she's a beautiful soul, not true? She is a beautiful soul. To God be the glory. So, the sorrel and all the amazing health benefits. Yeah, there's another video. First of all, I need you to share this video. Share this video. Woman power, promoting female farmer, all the good stuff. Hey, what's up, man? Hold on, man. I need to see you. Yes, that's somebody I know just passing. Anyway, it's a lot of good benefit. We talk about the health benefits as well of sorrel. People need to know. It lowers blood pressure, builds immunity, all that good stuff. Share it with somebody. There's another video I needed to see, and that's the one with the hibiscus with Sanika. We did that one, I think we did it in Kingston at Hope Zoo, or one of those places. Yes, Hope Zoo. The hibiscus, you need to see it. There's a link in the description, and it's in the card above. See you in that one.